Epstein with your Thursday morning futures market flash update, and this is for Thursday. Wow. Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Thursday, and this is April 28th, 2022, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. We had some interesting numbers, so let's go to that before we discuss the markets. If you look at the first quarter GDP, down 1.4%. That's a negative. The market expected it up 7%. So this is year over year, but that's an important number. Fourth quarter final number was at this point up 6.9%. The chain-weighted price index up 8%. They expected it up 7.3%, so that isn't a very good number. The advanced PCE price index was up 7%. The market was looking for it to be in the fourth quarter and it was in the fourth quarter up 6.4, so we're getting a climb there. The core PCE came in at 5.2%. Fourth quarter was 5%. Personal consumption came out at 2.7. It's higher than it was in the fourth quarter. First quarter advanced final sales down 0.6. It was up 1.5. So all in all, it's showing the economy is really beginning the weakness at this point. Jobless claims, this is a positive. The market was down to 180. That's pretty much what the market was looking for. And continuing claims, and that's what I keep looking at, continue to fall. Energy analysts are forecasting in the EIA natural gas an injection still of basically 38 billion cubic feet. Now, remember, we'll probably get some injections at this period as we're out of the really cold weather in the U.S. The Kansas City Fed's going to release their April manufacturing composite and business activity indices at 10 this morning, and they're looking for those to be at a 34 reading, and that's a slippage from the 37 that we recently saw. So what has happened is the markets, they're up on the news, which is strange, but there you are. It's a bounce. I don't know if it's got any legs to it. So far, we've seen that you don't hold these rallies very well. The metal markets, they took the gold down even further into the 1870 level. It's come back trying to put on a gain for the day. We'll see if it's able to do that. Silver's losing quite a bit to gold, and copper's still losing. China continues with its problems. They're doing massive testing in Beijing. You know, if these test results don't come in right, then you're going to see another city with over 20 million people go into some form of shut-in. The market doesn't like that. And the dollar reigns supreme. Just take a look at this. Look at the yen down 143 points as the bank governor, Kuroda, came out and he said a weak yen is still very good for the economy, and that just gave it all signals go. As we look at the energy markets, not doing an awful lot, but May gasoline, I'm leaving this up here, it goes off the board tomorrow. Brent, June goes off the board, so you probably want to do your spreads. July, Brent versus July, WTI. Bonds and notes slipping. They had hit the 18-day average a couple of days ago, and now they're backing away rather nicely from that. And Bitcoin goes off. You got to switch over now to the next lead month, and that's going to be important. In the grain market, it just seems to be a rotation. One day the beans are up, the next day it's down a little bit as the wheat and corn catch up, but everything going to new highs for the move. Yeah, you're at 820 in the corn market. This is a delight for the farmer. Do they need crop assistance from the United States? I don't think so. Not at these prices. So something that you're going to hear talk about sooner rather than later. Yes, crop insurance, but do they need government assistance? I don't think that they really need that other than that if something goes wrong with the crops. I want to remind you all that if you look at what we do in our futures trading kit, I think you're going to find this to be one of the cool things that you can have. First off, my free pivot point video series is included in it. If you haven't learned how to work with pivot points, you want to. Cause and effect. Let me give you this. I developed this under Paul Volcker, and it shows the impact of M1, M2, M3, what it means to the Fed, and you've got to learn that because now that the Fed's in a tightening ratio, what do they look at? How do you find all this? It's really simple. It's on our website at www.iraepstein.com in the free offer section. Just go up there. You can also at this point click if you want, move your cursor just up here, and at this point you'll be able to get right to that section automatically. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups. Good trading to you.